Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. Foxbody Shoe 5.0 with you guys, and today we are doing the install of the new steering wheel. Okay, really excited to go ahead and do this. As you guys saw in the parts reveal, you know, this has been needed for some time now, guys. I am done with having this, you know, original, which I do love, all right, original Foxbody steering wheel, but I am ready to go ahead and get this bad boy in and see how it fits. All right, so without any further ado, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start disassembling this. And again, you know, after watching some of the videos on LMR, going ahead and installing this, and then also with Brutal, you know, I picked up a few things as well from watching those two videos, and gonna kind of you know, put a little bit into ourselves and get it done as well. So okay, but a huge shout out to Brutal for the things that he does. Really appreciate the work that you put in, brother. You know, this is awesome, and like I said from the very get-go, man, you've been a huge inspiration to a lot of the things of going ahead and doing this stuff and getting it done, and just us average Joe guys that, you know, don't get an opportunity to do a whole lot on our Mustangs from time to time just because of money factors. But you know, now got a little bit extra money to go ahead and do some of these things with, and the Stang is long overdue for some much needed upgrades. So appreciate you guys tuning in, and you know, make sure that you comment below on what you go ahead and see here with the FR350 steering wheel getting put in. Alright guys, here we are. Gonna put you on time lapse as I go ahead and work on and getting this steering wheel out here. But alright, I'll be right back here with you guys, and enjoy watching here. Okay guys, gonna pull the airbag out here and go ahead and unattach it here. Okay, all right. That's out. Okay, be right back with you guys with the steering wheel puller. Alright guys, so after watching Brutal, I do see that it just requires a 15 millimeter to go ahead and get this first nut off before I need to go ahead and use the steering wheel puller after that. So I'll go ahead and get with that and take that off, and then I have to go ahead and disconnect a couple clips here as well. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back here with you. So after a little bit of minor delay, I'm going to be honest, I tried to go ahead and use this steering wheel puller that I went ahead and I purchased. Not from LMR, but I purchased this separately from Amazon. And this just didn't go ahead and get it. I couldn't get the the steering wheel to go ahead and pull and separate. And if you look here, I mean, even on this is like how much pressure was being put into the steering wheel, and it still would not press out. So I went to Harbor Freight and went ahead and purchased a actual harmonic balancer wheel puller. This is what I saw some of the other guys using in the videos that they were doing, and so I just went to Harbor Freight, like $15.99, guys, to go ahead and get this, and man, I put it right on, and steering wheel came right off. So I don't know, maybe I just didn't have much luck with the steering wheel puller that I purchased from Amazon. And again, it's not saying that it's anything wrong with that. It just wasn't working for me. So I went to Harbor Freight and purchased the harmonic balancer wheel puller, and it worked like a charm. So we went ahead and got it now, and we're ready to go. So I'll go ahead and I'll come back with you guys as soon as I get this stuff taken off from here, or taking the puller off from here, and then I'll come back with showing you guys how to switch everything over on our steering wheel to our new one. All right, be right back with you guys. All right, guys, here we go. We've got a stripped down steering wheel now. All right, everything is out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to transfer now to the new steering wheel and put everything over there. I'll show you guys here when I'm done. Okay, put you on time lapse again. Alright guys, so here we go. We have a completed new steering wheel now. Everything's all transferred over. Everything's good to go. So just got the clip here, so we're able to go ahead and hook that back in inside the car. But everything's in here, so looking great. I'm excited. Alright, so I'll go ahead and I'll join you guys back inside the car to go ahead and put this in. Alright, see you guys soon. Alright guys, here we are back inside the car, ready to go ahead and reinstall the steering wheel on here. So okay, so we're gonna go ahead, get ready to do this, and I'll join you guys here real soon and put you on a time lapse. Alright, here we go guys. We're gonna go ahead and reinstall. I just fed the wires back through, and I'm gonna get this reset back on here. So alright, here we go. Let's get at it.
Put the bolt back in. Again, it's a 15mm bolt, guys. 15mm.
Now they do recommend snugging this down, all right, to 23 to 33 foot-pounds. All right, so just to go ahead and give you guys a heads up on that. For those of you that can go ahead and get out your torque wrench. All right. Okay, once you do that, get that torque down and put back in, then just reinsert in your airbag. And then after you go ahead and torque that, or get the airbag reinserted, okay, after that, you're just gonna put your nuts back on, all right, onto the bolts of the back of the side of the airbag. All right, so again, time lapse, be right back. Alright guys, here we go. Finished product. Oh man, I love the way it feels, and I don't know about you guys, but I am a not only a Foxbody fan, but I am a Shelby fan. And you know, just a little bit of stuff that I can go ahead and bring to the Foxbody, you know, from Shelby and the FR350. And of course now all the, you know, Shelby GT350s and 500s running with the center line at the top. I love it, you know, just the little bit of styling that you can bring from those newer models back to our historic vehicles. I love. So here it is again, the finished product, guys. Looks great, feels great, I love it. Can't wait to go ahead and get out and drive with it. So all right guys, thanks again, all right, for going ahead and joining us on this another episode from Foxbody Shoe 5.0. Go ahead and comment below on the steering wheel, whether you like it, dislike it. You know, I mean, I get it guys, there's gonna be some people out there that are just straight up, no, I just like to leave, you know, the Foxes the way that they are. How they came stock, I get that. That's awesome, and that is totally your guys' choice. You know, me, I like to go ahead and add a little bit of my own flair and style to my Mustang to make it my own. That's what I've always done in the last 23 years of having this Fox. So other than that guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share. Go ahead and make sure you hit that bell to go ahead and get that greatest and latest when it comes out. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. Talk to you soon. See ya.